Hi friends! In today's video, we are creating a romantic envelope and a journaling pocket for our junk journals. An envelope to hold special ephemera or letters that make us inspired to open our journals and create in them every day. And a cute tuck spot for something lovely to peek through that reminds us of a moment in time, a loved one, or something we hold dear to our heart. For the envelope, I am using one of the recent freebies available in the Casa Azul Junk Journal group. This freebie was created by Anna from Anna's Wonderland. The group is accepting new members daily. Our link is below for you to join and you will have access to all of our freebies posted to date. For our envelope's closure, let's make it extra special. We can use a fabric piece and cut out a heart shape. We can add a pop of color and more dimension by gluing lace around our heart. And for an elegant touch, let's add a ribbon to wrap around our envelope. This is the most recent freebie I uploaded to the group. It is a sneak peek of the new printable kit I am working on, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. The kit will have lots of lilies of the valley, brides, and embroidery, all inspired by the ephemera pieces I shared in my recent haul video. This sweet baby blue lily of the valley illustration will serve as a journaling card and a pocket to hold something precious, something that inspires you to journal. And now that we are done with our creations, let's add them to our journal. I found the perfect page with a beautiful lace tag that reminds me of a bride's dress. This book page reminded me of her rustic home where she has a cute desk with flowers, where she sits to journal looking out her window. We are extending this smaller page to add our journaling pocket and create more journaling space. This is one of the vintage Mexican magazines from the 40s that I shared in my recent haul video. This magazine has aged so beautifully. The only tear is in the cover, and it has the most beautiful illustrations. I'm using a page that I wouldn't feel too bad to tear out, and that still complements the theme of our envelope. Lately, I've been super into collage art and sentiments. Let me know what you guys think of it. Maybe we can do more of these together. And here's my final spread with my journaling. I hope you guys enjoyed this journal with me session. Subscribe to be the first to find out when my new digital kit drops this week. My Etsy shop is linked below, and I currently have junk journals and printables. All printables are buy 3 get the 4th free using the code 4th free at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.